Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at the Broken Ridge Ranch home. If you're experiencing any kind of Wi-Fi difficulties, we recommend going ahead and disconnecting the power on the Frontier Communications Wi-Fi box. That's right here. Go ahead and let it sit for about 3 minutes. Plug it back in, let it power back up. If you do not see the West Valley connection, you're looking for the username, you might need to be looking for the SSID name, which is the Frontier 733D. And then what you'll probably end up putting in then is going to be this long digit right here, this WPA. That should be the information that you should put in for the password. And that would be the default settings for the Wi-Fi connection. So if you have any questions, need further assistance, go ahead and give our landline office number a call. And that is the 208-634-0030. Cheers.